Hi, this is Bill, and you are on Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. Today we take you to a video we did on St. Martin as we were getting off our ship with some important things that you should need to know to stay safe in foreign ports, and also things that we bring with us. We'll give you some tips and tricks, some of the things that we've learned over our many experiences, and we hope you enjoy this video. In this video, we changed it up a little bit. As Angela and I got off the ship, we thought to ourselves, how about filming a quick little segment on the things that we bring with us? These are questions we get asked a lot. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and give it a like. It really helps out and costs you nothing. Hi folks, we are in St. Martin, and we just wanted to do a quick little video on the things that we bring off the ship and some basic tips on what you should have. One of them is not to get hit by one of the golf carts coming by, people going on excursions. Things that you definitely need: passport. Definitely bring your passport. Bring your ship cards. But when you get off the ship, you bring your ship cards. Oops, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't mean to elbow her. Tuck them in your shirt, put them someplace. Locals on the islands don't need to. They'll probably know you are off a ship, but a lot of times they'll see your wristbands or your sea pass cards, and in some places they'll be like, "Hey, I know you from the Odyssey of Sea. Don't you remember me? I'm your waiter. Want to buy jewelry from me?" So there's no reason to advertise that. Cash. We bring cash. Make sure we bring cash for taxi fare. Before you get into a taxi, ask them what the fare is, and better yet, ask one of the dispatchers how much the cost is, or look. Most ports have a board that shows from point to point. What else we sunscreen?
Sunscreen. Watch your time. Make sure, see what the ship is on ship time or on island time, because times can be different. Your watch will change if you're on an island and the ship's on ship time.
Yeah, here we are actually an hour ahead, so it's about 10:30 ship time. It's about 10:30 ship time, but 11:30 local time. So what I do is, I know the ship time is the same as New York, so I'll just go on my iPhone and see what the time in New York is, and we'll know what time it is. I always bring a credit card or two. One's not tied to my bank account. So if for some reason it gets compromised or something like that, then I clean out my bank account. It's really no big deal. It's something that has a low limit on it, so it doesn't create any type of hassle. Passports. Bring your passport with you as well. That's our recommendation. Some people tell you take a picture of your passport. It kind of depends on where you're going and your individual situation, but the reality of it is, if you are off the ship and something happens, you're going to want to have your passport with you. Now, under most circumstances, if something, God forbid, happens, make sure somebody contacts the ship so that they can get your passport, if you left it in the safe, out of the safe, and leave it with the port officer, and then you can get it. Because otherwise, if you don't have a passport, you could be stuck in a foreign country for days if you, God forbid, had some sort of medical emergency or missed the ship. What else do we bring with us? Change your clothes a lot of times. So if today we're going to an all-inclusive. We're going to Secret St. Martin. We'll check that out.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen, I think we said. Change your clothes. Some places bug spray. Cash, ID. I think that's pretty much it. We keep a backpack. I keep a waterproof bag as well. That way, depending on where we're going, if we want to go in the water and we're not comfortable, we could throw the valuables, cameras, and stuff like that. They have these dry bags, they call it, that when you seal it up, it'll float right in the water with you. So we always, I have a regular backpack, but I throw one of those in too, in case we feel like, there may be vendors on the beach and things like that. Any other thoughts?
Just make sure you allow enough time to get back to the ship. You don't want to be one of those pier runners.
Yeah, we detest and love pier runs all at the same time, because they make for great entertainment, but the reality of it is we've been times where the ship's been delayed an hour or two, and then the captain's got to go faster, and it makes for a little rougher journey. They use more fuel. It just kind of screws everything up. So don't be one of the pier runners. That's about it, right?
That's about it.
All right. Well, we'll see you later. Have any questions or comments or any other things that you bring along, leave them in the comments below, and have a great day.